Hello fiber friends and welcome to Vlogmas. It's day 8 and today is extra fun because we have squishy mail. So this is the Paradise Fibers Fiber of the Month Club. They sent it to me and I will be unboxing it. We will also open this up and definitely do some spinning. So let's see what we have in store today. I am going to start with Vlogmas because I want to read the blessing for today. That's what we're all here for. So let's see, what do we have for today? May you always find peace and comfort in your crafting. This one touches me every time. I don't know about you, but for me, the crafts that I do have gotten me through some really, really dark times. And I could almost say that they've saved my life. I know that so many people find mental health benefits from crafting, and this blessing always rings true. So I really love that we can have a community and we can just encourage each other in our creative endeavors. And I love the benefits of that creativity having, you know, more than just the things we make. There's something that feeds our souls as crafters as well. And that's so important. I love this one. That blessing gets me. All right, let's see what else we have today. Ooh, okay. So we have, there's some sari silk threads, some recycled sari silk threads. And then we have, I believe these are both Corriedale. Yes, these are Corriedale. Okay, Corriedale and some sari silk threads. This looks like a job for a blending board. We just did a blending board yesterday with our very Christmassy colors. But this one feels like it needs to be blended as well. Maybe we could get the hand cards out and we could hand card this. And, or we could put it on the drum carder, or we could comb it. Although combs would be a little tricky because the threads are shorter, and we could blend these two colors nicely with the combs because they're about the same staple length. But as soon as we started to add these threads in there with the combs, it would start to keep the threads to the back. I don't think combs would work for this. So we're gonna have hand cards or drum carder or blending board again for the second day in a row. Woo! See? I'm gonna need a minute to think about it. So while I think about it, let's see what we have from the Paradise Fibers of the Month Club for December. Squishy mail is so much fun. I will be very careful with my scissors because I don't want to cut the floof. We're getting in there. Are we? Oh, it was hung up on the plastic, kind of folded over itself. There we go. All right, what do we have? I see trees. That's a cute little bag. I want to find, there we go, the card. Swissmas, featuring a new alpaca merino blend with white yak top. Ooh, 3 shades of alpine blends. The Swiss Alps, known for their breathtaking vistas and fresh mountain air, inspire our newest collection. Beautiful. So we have some lovely colors here. What do we have in the bag? It looks like we have breathable and cuddly soft line features 6 frosty colorways that combine naturally white baby alpaca with dyed 23 micron merino to bring you ready to spin powdery and picturesque blends. These cozy blends make delightfully lightweight, bulky yarns. Perfect for winter weather garments and escapades through the beloved Swiss Alps. And then there's also some de-haired superfine yak down that's been bleached and combed to create a smooth, luxurious, and even top. Ooh, I can't wait to pull these out of the bag and see what we have. Let's dig those out and see what's up. All right, I think this one is probably the yak down because it said it was white. That is some yak down. It is very, very soft. I really want to spin this one with my supported spindles. That's my plan for this, for sure. Okay, what else do we have in here? We have, three of these colors together. It's very Christmassy. We just had such a Christmassy video yesterday. We should have had this all together at the same time. But at least I'm wearing my sheep today, so we're on theme for that. Let's see what these feel like. Oh, it's very, very, very soft. Lovely, lovely and soft. We have one that's kind of a creamy white color. This one is Mont Blanc. We have a green one, Dolomites green, and then we have Monte Rosa. Is that Monte Rosa red? I can read. Oh dear. Okay, so there's that one. Those are lovely. So pretty. I'm not sure what to spin with these. I'm really not sure. I know for sure I want to do the yak with the supported spindle because I love that. But these, I don't know. I'm almost inclined to do these 3 separately and do like a mosaic knit or a colorwork hat. Let's see what project they have suggested because they usually suggest something to do with it. It says, okay, so they have some color striping. They have the yaks as rollags. The fiber will bloom beautifully. I'm sure it will. There's some cool information about yaks. It's supposed to be very, very, very warm. I've never had something with yak that was large enough to tell how warm it was in terms of clothing, but I'm sure it's very, very warm. And then they have some fractal spins. Okay. Yep, and you can break it down as many times as you want. So they have fractal yarn that they did with the fiber from the fiber blends. So lovely, lovely, lovely. Thrummed winter projects, but I was doing some thrummed projects with the spin from last month that I haven't finished yet. Oh dear. I need to get on top of it. Okay, well, if you're a club member, there's the instructions for the thrummed mittens. I guess I will finish mine up whenever I get to them. I have a lot of spinning going on lately. I would love any ideas or inspiration or thoughts about what to do, how to spin these. Any thoughts? Let me know. Leave a comment. Comment of the day. What should I do with all this fiber? So let's see what we have in here. always some fun stuff, some tea. This one it's Stash and it's Christmas Eve. Yum. I love all the Stash teas. I don't think there's a single one I've had that I didn't like. They're my favorite. And we Eunice has become a Christmas gnome. Oh, I love it. So cute. Love it, love it. That's my dream life, to just go be a forest gnome and carry around pumpkins and mushrooms in the forest. Okay, what else? What else? We have this cute little progress keeper. It's a little Christmas tree bulb. 2 naturally shed Pacific Northwest white-tailed deer antler buttons. Nice. I look forward to putting those into a project. These are special. I will put them somewhere very, very safe. All right, so let's get back to Vlogmas. And I have my hand cards, so I am going to tip the camera. And let's make a couple just blended bats using the hand cards. So to do this, I am going to put some, I think it might be fun to make this a little bit self-striping. If you wanted to fully blend it, you could layer it on top, or you can make it a little bit more self-striping and blend it kind of next to each other. So then between those sections, I will put some of this sort of coral pink color. And then I want to incorporate these recycled silk threads all throughout. So we'll do that. Let those blend all the way through. There we go. Since this is already comb top, I'm just trying to get it to blend next to each other because, there we go. Because it's already, really combed out, of course, because it's already comb top. So this is our little bat. There it is. Cute. So I'm gonna make another one, and if I want it to be kind of self-striping, the next one I'm gonna go peach and then this darker burgundy color. And so the colors will be opposite. So this one would be here on the next one if I laid them all out. So when it spins, it follows the pattern. There we go. So I have all these fluffy little bats that I can spin now. You of course could roll them up into a rolag if you want to. You could card these on a drum card or whatever. There's so many ways you can blend and play with this fiber. I think I'm just gonna spin it from one end to the other, and maybe I'll make it a 2-ply. I don't know. I'm looking at it thinking, how much do I want to blend these colors? Do I want to leave it a single? That might be some pretty short repeats to do a chain ply. But if we 2-ply this, we'll get that cool effect like we had with the teal and gray BFL, where sometimes it lines up, sometimes it doesn't. And that created a really beautiful look. So, Maybe we'll do another spindle spin. Let me grab my spindle. I'm gonna spin this and then I will fold it over and do a 2-ply. Da-da-da-da, spindle to the rescue. I am going to kind of get this a little better organized for spindle spinning. So I guess I am going to roll it into a very, very loose kind of rolag, and then I'll be able to spin it that way. Just get a little hook on the end of there, get it going. And there we go. I love how this recycled sari silk comes out like these just beautiful little moments of tweed all throughout. It's so pretty. I've finished spinning onto the spindle. This is what we have. And I love, love, love this color combination. It's so pretty. And all of those, I hope you can see all the little kind of tweedy bits in there from the recycled sari silk. I don't know if this is the case for everyone, but it's certainly the case for me. When I'm spinning with a fully suspended type of a drop spindle, I tend to want to stand up because I can get a longer length spun before I have to wind it on. And sitting down, I feel like I spend twice the time winding on. But if I am spinning with a distaff and a clasped spindle or an in-hand kind of spindle, then I feel like sitting down is more comfortable. I can do it while I'm moving around and walking, but I prefer to sit down while I do it. So that's like European medieval type of spindle spinning is more comfortable sitting down. Drop spindle, fully suspended type of spinning is more comfortable for me standing up. That could just be me and my body mechanics. I don't know, but I'm curious if anyone else who does both types of spinning finds that to be true for them as well. I don't know. Anyway, just a little, it was definitely a rabbit trail. I am going to make a plying bracelet with this and 2-ply it back onto this spindle, and I'll be right back with the finished yarn. Well, I hope you enjoyed that fun time lapse. Here is the yarn. I will get this skeined off and take a picture for Instagram, but I love it. I think it's gorgeous. I would love to make a whole rug out of this. It's very sturdy and durable yarn. It's awesome. Remember to do all those things you do for a video. Thumbs up, share it with your friends who would enjoy it. Remember to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy Vlogmas and merry spinning.